Hi, this is Greg from Zoho Expert, and today I'm going to be doing a real quick video on how to send documents to clients that they have requested through forms. So this was from somebody on Reddit who asked how to do this, and I thought I'd make a real quick video to show you how. I'm sure there's other people out there who have similar functionality needs. Before I start, this is our YouTube channel. Please check us out. Please subscribe, like our videos, comment, help us grow our channel. Thank you. Anyway, onwards and upwards. So the first thing we need is a Zoho Form. So we go to Forms, and we want to create a new form. And we'll call this client, document request from client. Client is asking for a document. Alright, so now the quickest and easiest way to do this is just going to be based off of the client's details. So we'll ask them for, let's just ask them for their email, and actually we do need their name, and we need a drop-down list that says which document would you like, and then we'll say document 1, document 2, or document 3. Okay, now we want to make this a required field as with all the others. So required, email required or mandatory, and name, we just need the last name to be mandatory. Now, where you might use this is if you are trying to pick up leads by offering free materials online. So you may also ask somebody for their mobile number. So I'm going to put this in just so that you can see what to do with it. Okay. Alright, so somebody wants our document, they're going to have to fill out this form and tell us which document they want. So let's go ahead and save the form. Sorry, I've got screen recorder software on here, so I have to zoom in and out to see what I'm doing. Alright, so the form's automatically saved. Now we're going to go to integration. And I'm just going to do this really simply, and I'm going to integrate it through Zoho Forms. And I'm going to say create a lead. Yeah. And we need a company name as well. Okay, for the company name, we're just going to do the first name and set that as mandatory, and then actually we'll use the last name anyway. Last name, and for the last name, we're going to put the last name, and we're going to add the mobile or email. We're going to put the mobile number here. Now I like to use mobile instead of phone, but that's down to preference. And then finally we've got the document type. Now in leads we're going to need to create the field that says create which document would you like. So bear with me 1 second while I just open up my system. Just need to make sure there's no private information on display. It's trying to blur it later is a bit of a pain. Okay. Alright, so we're going to settings, modules, and fields. Let me do this again for you. Settings, then modules and fields. And now we're going on to leads, standard. And here we just need a field that says document type. Requested document from lead funnel. You would probably give these more descriptive names because you would want your sales team to be able to tell, who's asked for what. So now in here, let's just refresh this, add a new field, and search for document. And There we go, document. All right, so now what this is going to do is it's automatically going to create a lead for us when the form is submitted. Now, this is really important. You've got a tick here that says trigger workflow rules when this lead is created, okay? For the hell of it, we're going to attach the... we're going to attach a PDF of submission of the request. We're not going to approve it. We're going to tell it to upsert the record if we already have someone with the same email address on our system. So instead of creating a new lead, it's going to just edit the lead. And we don't need to do any of these. I mean, we can also do the tag, and we can say here that the lead has come from lead funnel. So lead funnel document request. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to integrate. Now, if we share our form with someone, they're going to need to fill this in. So we're going to call this demo to first, demo to last. Mobile number, we're going to say 7. There we go. And we'll call this demo to org 2021 at zohoexpert.co.uk. And we're going to request document 2. Okay, so now what happens when we request document 2 is that the lead will be created in our system. I'm just doing this off screen at the moment. There we go. So now the lead has been created on our system here, and we can see that they've requested document 2. So what we want to do is we want to create a workflow rule that says when a lead is created and they have the document type, we want to send them a document. So we're going to say on create/edit. Actually, do you know what I think would be a better way to do this would be when that document type is changed. So document type changed, lead document type rec type changed. Okay, so send document to client when, or to lead when document type is changed. Okay, so what this should do is when we create them, when the specific field, which is document type, is edited, we send them a document. So we say to the value document 1. Okay, so what we want to do is when we change the field document type to document 1, it fires off an email to them with document 1 attached. Okay, and okay, something has changed here, so hold on a second. So we'll take out this condition, and we'll say when it's changed to any value, or actually anything not null. Okay, then fire this condition, and then we say if requested document is document 1, then do this. So email notification, doc1 to lead, and we want to send it to the lead email address. And the template we want to use, we haven't actually created a template, so let's just quickly create one. So we'll go back to a previous one and we'll just copy it. Okay, so we're calling it lead document 1 and we're associating it to the leads module. And so the first thing we do is change the subject, and we say here is the document you requested from Zoho Expert. And now we just need to remove all these fields that don't apply. So, dear first name, we hope this finds you well. Here is the document you requested. And we can even put in the name. There we go. And we'll delete all this stuff because this is from my other template that we don't need. Alright, there we go. We are now good to go, folks. So that is document 1. So save. This will be testing for videos. Just so I don't actually confuse this with any of my real templates. Okay, so while we're at it, we're also going to clone this document and make document 2 and document 3. And I forgot the most important part, which actually uploading the document. So bear with me 1 second. And actually here, because we're doing one for each different document, you can just write in the name of the document, because unfortunately we can't programmatically add the attachments. So for example, for this video, we're going to say attach the Zoho Flow. Sorry, for this document, we're going to attach the Zoho Flow logo as our document 2. And then for document 1, we must go back and attach a document to it. So attachments, we will give it the Zoho Books logo, and then we'll clone it one more time for document 3. And for this one, we're going to attach our Zoho Expert logo. There we go. Okay, perfect. So now we have all of our templates ready to go. See, document 1, 2, and 3, and each of them has an attachment on it. So now we go back here, we refresh our changes, and so for document 1, we want to send them that. You can choose which email address you're sending it from, but we'll just keep it as my email address, and we'll save and associate. Alright, so now we want to add another condition, and we want to say if the document type is document 2, then send them document 2. Oh, I need to create a new notification, that's why. Lead doc2, choose recipient's email address, select template, document 2, save and associate. And finally, what to do in document 3's case. So here we want to go type. Document is document 3, next, email notification, and we want to send them doc3. So lead doc3 to the email address, and we want to select the template for document 3. Save and associate. Now what you could do is add another condition here that sends you an email if none of these conditions are met. So you could say leads that don't meet the above conditions, yeah, and in our case let's just make a task. So task, new task, error, document requested that isn't part of the setup, and we'll just save and associate. Now trigger date plus 0 days. Okay, so now if for some reason somebody updates this form in the future and adds the ability for someone to select, form document 4, we don't have document 4 here, so we can't send them document 4. So it'll create a task for us saying, whoa, there's a problem, something's not working here. All right, so we're going to save this, and now we're going to try this out. So let me just clear my mailbox and make sure I don't have anything private showing on there. No, good. Empty email inbox. That's what I like to see. Okay, perfect. Oh, wait, what's that on the side? There we go. Okay. Just worried that might show desk or something. Okay, so we are now going to check the mail, and now we're going to add another response. So first thing we're going to do is let's add the same person again. So what were their details? I think we called them demo 2 first, demo 2 last. This doesn't have to be exactly the same as long as the email address matches. So it was 070, oh no, there's no 0, so 07000000002, and the email address now was demo2org2021@zohoexpert.co.uk. Now we're going to select document 1 this time. So if we now go to our leads on another screen, so hopefully you can't see this, so I don't have to blur it out on YouTube. So here's our lead, and we can see the email addresses here. I'll just copy and paste it just to make sure I haven't gotten it wrong. No, perfect. Okay, and now we can see that previously they requested document 2 before we set up the workflow. But now that we have this workflow in place, we're going to put through this request for document 1, and we're going to see if it works. Okay, so we should receive an email now. Ah, thank goodness, I don't have to edit this out of the video. Okay, so there's our document. So it says, oh, there's no lead name for some reason, but anyway, so it says, we hope this finds you well. Here is the document you requested, document 1, thank you, and there is document 1 attached. Isn't that amazing? So I'm just going to pop into our templates and find out why it didn't include the person's first name like it should have done. So, because our lead definitely does have a first name, if I'm not mistaken. Lead name, or did we not put a first name in? Let's edit our lead. Yeah, okay, we didn't hook up the first name, that's why. So if we go back to our integration, because it wasn't a required field, that's why. And we say first name equals first name. There we go. And now this will work next time. All right, perfect. So let's add another response. Just to save my system filling up with loads of leads, I'm going to use the same email address again. So this number is that. Okay, and this was demo lead 2. And demo lead 2 last first, and this time we'll select document 3, submit, and now we should find that in a few seconds we will get document 3. First we can look on our lead here, and we can see that we now should have a first name for our lead. Okay, there we go. We now have a first name on our lead, and now we have our email. Here is the document you requested, document 3, and there it is, the Zoho Expert logo. So guys, it's easy as that. It's extremely customizable. You know, you could set this up for a lead funnel, offer free documents, you know, an ebook, maybe a business plan, anything you like on your website. But ask the clients or the potential clients to provide you with their details before you give them the document, and then set up your CRM to send them the document. And then you can have a blueprint set up inside your CRM to then gather further details from them and to start pursuing them as a lead for your business. You can add them to a lead nurturing role, workflow, where you start sending them emails on a periodic basis, building some credibility for your business, and then eventually they can turn into paying customers for you. This was just a really quick video. Obviously here you might want to have a privacy policy, explain that they're subscribing to your newsletter by requesting this document, and telling them that they can unsubscribe at any time. If you want to make sure that you are complying with EU GDPR regulations, or California data protection regulations, or other states or countries around the world. But guys, any questions on this, please let me know. But I think this is awesome functionality and just shows you just another thing that you can do with Zoho CRM and the various functionality that's built in with it. If you've got any questions or you need any help, please let me know. I'm always happy to help, and we would love it if you comment on the video and you like the video and you subscribe to our channel to show your support and to show that you've gotten some value out of this video. Thanks a lot.